As a homeowner in Austin, you take pride in your property's appearance and want to keep it looking its best. One effective and affordable way to maintain the cleanliness and integrity of your home is through regular residential pressure washing. Whether you're dealing with the Texas heat, seasonal pollen, or everyday dirt and grime, pressure washing can be a game changer for your home's exterior. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of regular pressure washing and how it can help maintain the value, appearance, and functionality of your home. Boosts curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a significant role in how your home is perceived by visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. Over time, dirt, mildew, algae, and stains can accumulate on your home's exterior, making it look dingy and neglected. This is especially true in Austin, where high humidity and frequent storms can contribute to mold and mildew growth. Regular pressure washing can restore your home's exterior to its original beauty. The power of high-pressure water can remove years of built-up grime, dirt, and stains from various surfaces, including siding, driveways, walkways, and patios. After a professional pressure washing service, your home will look fresher, cleaner, and more inviting, instantly boosting its curb appeal. Prevents damage from mold and mildew. In Austin's humid climate, mold and mildew can thrive on your home's exterior surfaces, particularly in shaded or damp areas. Over time, mold and mildew can deteriorate your siding, wood, and other building materials, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, they can pose a health risk to you and your family, causing respiratory issues and allergic reactions. Pressure washing effectively removes mold, mildew, and algae from surfaces like siding, fences, decks, and driveways. By scheduling regular pressure washing, you can prevent mold and mildew from causing long-term damage to your home and maintain a healthier living environment. Improves longevity of building materials. The exterior of your home is constantly exposed to the elements, from intense sunlight to heavy rain. Over time, dirt, grime, and weathering can cause damage to your building materials, resulting in the need for repairs or replacements. Pressure washing helps prevent the buildup of contaminants that can cause deterioration. For example, wooden decks can become weakened and discolored by years of dirt, mold, and algae growth. Pressure washing not only cleans the surface but can also prepare it for refinishing or sealing, helping to prolong the lifespan of your deck. Similarly, concrete driveways and brick patios can benefit from regular cleaning, preventing cracks and stains that can lead to costly repairs. By maintaining a regular pressure washing schedule, you're helping to protect your home's materials and prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Increases home value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, regular pressure washing can significantly improve its market value. Potential buyers are often more drawn to homes that look well maintained and cared for, both inside and out. Homes with dirty exteriors, stained driveways, or weathered siding can be a turnoff to buyers, making them question the condition of the home. By investing in regular pressure washing, you can keep your home's exterior looking pristine and well maintained, which can increase its value. Clean and fresh surfaces, free from dirt, mold, and mildew, create a positive first impression and may even result in a faster sale at a higher price. saves time and effort on maintenance. Cleaning the exterior of your home can be a time-consuming and physically demanding task. Scrubbing off mold and mildew, removing stains, and cleaning large surfaces can take hours, even days, if done manually. With pressure washing, this job becomes much easier and more efficient. A professional pressure washing service uses high-powered equipment and expertise to quickly and effectively clean your home's exterior, saving you time and effort. Whether you're cleaning your driveway, patio, or siding, pressure washing offers a fast and thorough solution without the need for scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Improves health and safety. Dirt, grime, algae, and mold are not only unsightly but can also pose health risks. When mold and mildew accumulate on your home's exterior, they can become airborne and enter your home, affecting indoor air quality. Pressure washing removes these contaminants from your home's surfaces, creating a cleaner, healthier living environment. In addition, walkways, driveways, and patios can become slippery when covered with algae or moss, increasing the risk of slips and falls. Regular pressure washing removes these hazards, keeping your home safer for you, your family, and guests. Eco-friendly cleaning solution. One of the best things about pressure washing is that it doesn't require harsh chemicals or toxic cleaning agents. Instead, the power of water is used to clean surfaces effectively, making it an eco-friendly solution for your home. Many pressure washing companies use biodegradable cleaning solutions that are safe for the environment, ensuring that your home stays clean without harming the planet. Conclusion. Regular residential pressure washing is an essential part of maintaining the beauty, health, and longevity of your Austin home. From enhancing curb appeal and preventing damage from mold and mildew to improving the value of your property, pressure washing offers numerous benefits for homeowners. Whether you're looking to improve your home's appearance, protect your investment, or prepare for sale, pressure washing is a cost-effective and efficient solution that delivers lasting results. By scheduling regular cleaning sessions with a professional pressure washing service, you can keep your home looking pristine, enhance its curb appeal, and avoid costly repairs in the future. Ready to improve the look and condition of your Austin home? Contact a trusted pressure washing service today to get started.